What's up, guys, and welcome back. If you already are subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. If you aren't, click the subscribe button now so that I can bring you more quick and easy financial updates in the future. So I'm going to be bringing a new segment to these updates. The way it's going to work is I am going to begin the video with a portion of the new segment, and then I'll give you the news for about 3 minutes like I usually do, and then I'll end the video with the second half of the segment. So today's segment is what's inside my old Wi-Fi router. We will be figuring that out. So for starters here, we're gonna try to take this apart. Just kidding, no we aren't. We're gonna take that apart outside with a baseball bat. Practice swing? It's gonna go over. I feel like it now. Okay, are you recording? Are you sure it's recording? No picture? Like me and Blake. With that, let's jump into the news. There's a bunch of good news today. Stock market is skyrocketing. It's doing great. It's so fun to watch. Anyway, traders are now allowed to be on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Welcome back to the world's most famous trader. Hopefully he'll be back. The S&P 500 is only 6% away from being back to where it was at the beginning of this year, 2020. And it's 12% away from being at its all-time high back in early March. This is crazy and it's exciting. It's a weird time to be alive, but a very exciting time to be alive. Anyway, it's a roller coaster and I love roller coasters. It's pretty much my life. Just ask my wife. Airlines are up huge. Delta, I own some Delta. Unfortunately, fortunately, I don't know which one because I lost money on it for a couple months there, but finally gonna start making money hopefully because they're up huge today, up over like 12% today on the day. It's crazy. They're doing fantastic amid hopes that people will continue to travel this summer. And of course, stocks, they're looking at the future normally of what profits the company will make in the future. So that's kind of what people are hoping for, is that travel will resume shortly when there is a vaccine released. The reason why all of this is exploding is because another company has come out with positive test results for a coronavirus vaccine. This is great news. It's good that there are two companies that are coming close to this vaccine and not just one that can possibly fail. So at least two brings more hope that there is a cure. New Jersey clears way for professional sports not only to start practicing, but to actually start playing. This is so exciting. I'm a huge sports fan, so I'm very excited. I'm not a huge sports fan, just a huge sports fan, but very exciting, very fun. Hopefully sports will be back soon. Lastly, Elon Musk's SpaceX has raised over $500 million. Now SpaceX has reached an evaluation of $36 billion. This is one of the highest valued companies pre-IPO. Tomorrow they're going to launch 2 astronauts into space. First time that a company has ever done that. That's not a government-owned / funded company. So pretty exciting, pretty fun times to be living, possibly living on Mars in the future. Guys, if you haven't already, use my WeBull link below. It's a free stock trading platform, completely free, and you can get up to 2 free stocks. This morning I got 2 stocks valued at $45. You can get these same stocks or other stocks, just depending on what you get, luck of the draw, but you are guaranteed essentially a 10% return on that $100 investment if you deposit $100. So be sure to click the link below, download the app, and deposit $100, and you will get 2 free stocks from WeBull. Oh, good hit. Oh, good job. Oh. Woohoo! It worked. Oh, that's awesome. Well, fairly simple. Now, if you need a new Wi-Fi router like I do, click the link below so you can get yourself one. And here's what's inside of a Wi-Fi router. Pretty much just the case. This, I think, is like the bar that goes on the light. A plug, all the plugs, and just like the motherboard, whatever that is. Computer board. This isn't anything, it's just a piece of metal. And the other side of the case. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you again tomorrow. Don't you ever forget to take care and comb your hair, unless you don't care.